Oh hey YouTube, it's Dan, also known as Art Vandalay. If it's your first time visiting my channel, I'm a semi-full-time reseller. My channel is dedicated to just kind of showing you my view of me becoming a successful reseller. In today's video, I'm just going to show you a quick, easy way that I send offers to watchers on eBay. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing you're going to go to is eBay on your browser and go up here to the right hand side and click Sell. And that's going to take you to your seller hub. So once you're in your seller hub, it's going to show you, you're going to go under listings, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to see send offers eligible. So in this example, I have 21 eligible items to send offers. Click that. It's going to show you all your items that you have eligible to send offers. You can click on just one, and then it's the same way you do it in the app, and you just click on it, send them an offer, and then go to the next one. But an easier way is next to the left of actions, click that button, and it'll select every one of these. You can go through and select ones that you don't want to send offers to, but I'm going to send offers to everyone on here just for sake of this video. So go back up here, click on send offers. It's going to bring you to this screen, and you go to percentage. You give everyone a bulk edit for percentage off. You can add in a personalized message if you want. I generally do. I'll add what you're seeing. Thank you for visiting my store. Here's your chance to get an item at a great price. And then I always end it with thank you and then my name. And then once you've completed that part, just click on send offers. And you sent your offers. If you found this video helpful, if you could give it a thumbs up. Also, if you want to continue watching my channel, you can watch one of my favorite videos right here, or you can watch my latest video right here. If you haven't subscribed, if you please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in 3 days. Bye. And my channel is dedicated to just kind of showing you how my view